Today we shall start with the first vitamin of the vitamin B complex. The first one being thiamine or vitamin B1. This is the basic structure of vitamin B1. This is how vitamin B1 looks like. And we shall look at the chemistry of vitamin B1 and compare it with its basic structure. So the free thiamine is a basic substance and it contains a pyrimidine, a thiazole ring. It contains a sulfur, hence it is a sulfur containing vitamin. It is generally prepared as a chloride hydrochloride. So it has a sulfur, hence it is a sulfur containing vitamin. Let's look at its solubility. It is soluble in water and 95% alcohol, but it is not soluble in fat solvents. Moving on to its stability, it is resistant to heat in solution with a less than pH of 3.5 but loses its activity at pH greater than 5.5. Thiamine content of vegetables well preserved by freezing and by storage below 0 degrees. Rapidly destroyed in alkaline medium. So it is rapidly destroyed in alkaline medium. Chemically it is 2,5 dimethyl 4-methyl 6-amino pyrimidine 5-OH ethyl thiazole or thiamine pyrophosphate. Also we can say that it is thiamine diphosphate. These are the chemical names or what vitamin B1 is called chemically. That is 2,5 dimethyl 4-methyl 6-amino pyrimidine 5-OH ethyl thiazole or thiamine pyrophosphate. It is synthesized by plants, yeasts and bacteria. As we all know, this vitamin is not synthesized by human beings, hence it should be supplied in the diet. Intestinal bacterial flora can synthesize this vitamin. It is present in plasma and CSF in the free form, approximately 1 microgram per 100 ml. Blood cells contain 6 to 12 microgram per 100 ml, where it occurs as TPP, that is thiamine pyrophosphate. Moving on to its occurrence and food sources. The plant sources widely distributed in plant kingdom. So this vitamin is widely distributed in plant kingdom, as we can see through this picture. In cereals, grains, it is concentrated in the outer germ or barn layers. Example, in the rice polishings, it is the richest source of vitamin B1. Other good sources are peas, beans, whole cereal grains, bran, nuts, prunes, etc. Whole wheat bread is also a good source of vitamin B1. Animal sources. Thiamine is present in most animal tissues. Liver, meat and eggs supply considerable amount of vitamin B1. Ham or pork meats are particularly rich in this vitamin. Milk has low concentration but a good source as large quantities are consumed. Now let's see what would happen if there is a deficiency of vitamin B1. Deficiency of vitamin B1 or thiamine produces a condition called as beriberi. It is characterized by following manifestations. First one is the CV manifestations. These include palpitations, dyspnea, cardiac hypertrophy, dilations, which may progress to congestive cardiac failure. Neurological manifestations are predominantly those of ascending, symmetrical, and peripheral polyneuritis. These neurological features may be accompanied occasionally by an acute hemorrhagic polioencephalitis. which is then called as Wernicke's encephalopathy. GI symptoms are anorexia. There may be gastric atony with diminished gastric motility and nausea. Fever and vomiting occurs in advanced stages of deficiency of vitamin B1. Dry beriberi when it is not associated with edema, and wet beriberi is when it is associated with edema. It is probably in part to congestive cardiac failure and in part to protein malnutrition, that is low plasma albumin. This is how beriberi looks like. This is the normal condition, but this is a hand which is having beriberi due to the deficiency of vitamin B1. That is all for the session on vitamin B1. We shall conclude with the deficiency of vitamin B1. Next, we shall look at the other vitamins of the B complex. Thank you very much and stay tuned for more such videos.